Good morning, students. Today we solve problem based on compound interest. Here is a problem. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12 and 1 by 2% per annum compounded annually. Okay. We know that formula for compound interest is A equals to P 1 plus R by 100 power n. Okay, where A is amount, P is principal, R is rate, and n for time. Okay, we put here in this question P is rupees 10,800, R equals to okay, and n value of n is 3. Okay, now we put these values in this formula. Okay, then A equals to 1 plus 12 1 by 2 upon 100 whole to the power 3. Okay, we simplify it by this way. 12 2 is 24, 24 and 1, 25, 1 plus 25 upon 2. Okay, 25 4 is 100. This is equals to 10,800 in the bracket 1 plus 1 by 8. This. Next we simplify it again. After multiplying, or we can divide by this by 8. What we get? First of all, we divide it by 2. Okay. Now we again divide it by 2. We also again divide it. One, 3, 5, 0 into 9 into 9 into 9. What you get? 7 to 9 upon 8 into 8. You can divide it by 2 again. This one is this. You multiply it 675 into 729 upon divided by 32. Okay. What you get after multiplying 675 into 729? You can multiply it in rough. Okay. Now next. 49207.5 divided by 32. Okay. What you get? You can divide 32 for 4,92,075 divided by 32. What you get? You get 0.34. Okay. This is your amount. Okay. Amount equals to rupees 15,377.34. Now you can calculate compound interest. Compound interest CI equals to amount minus principal. A minus P. Okay. The value of amount you can put. And what is the value of principal? Subtract it. You get 4,577.34. This is your compound interest. Okay. This is your answer. Thank you.